Let me introduce you to the newest member in our YouTube family, and that is this amazing talent, Angelina, who is going to make YouTube videos for us once every 4 weeks. And for her first video, she created this amazing waterfall forest face paint on her skin. Well, if you want to know how she has created this, please keep watching, because we will show you and explain you step by step in the coming video. As this is such a big makeup to do, the first thing Angelina does is sketch it out with a pencil liner on her skin. So it isn't in all detail, but the basic shapes will be on the skin. So she creates a map for herself where to put everything. And once the basic lines are on there, we can start the face painting. So this is just a white face paint by Diamond Effects. Which will be powdered with a bit of setting powder. And there are the Intense powders by Meron. These are very brightly colored eyeshadow powders. And Angelina uses these to create a rainbow on her forehead. So it's just the dry powders on a powder brush and blend all the colors out until you get a nice looking rainbow. And once these colors are on the skin, it is time to continue with the Coffee collection by Chameleon. They have all colors with interesting names like coffee, espresso, macchiato, and they are all browns. Perfect to create three-dimensional effects on the skin, or in Angelina's case, she is just painting trees with them. As you can see, Angelina switches between colors to create a realistic looking tree. This is a petrol blue by Superstar. A log of a tree, very detailed as you can see. Fingers are perfect to blend out colors on the skin. Time to create some of the leaves of all these trees. So Angelina is using quite a lot of color to do this, and the technique reminds me of Bob Ross, who created all lovely paintings a long time ago, of course. So I will put a link to all the products used for this video in the description box down below. Because there are a lot of colors used to create this makeup. And the thing that makes these trees pop is the neon color green by Diamonds FX that Angelina uses. But as you can see, just by tapping that brush on the skin, you can create amazing trees. Bob Ross used to say, don't think about it, or don't overthink it, something like that. And there is a beautiful bush. Just gently filling out the neck part of this face paint. Some details in the trees, some shadows, some highlights. And a bit rougher, but the same technique for the part on Angelina's chest. So it's just patches of color that all together will create a forest look. There is that bright green again. And on to the waterfall. That is, of course, running down from her lips. And it is kind of the same technique as with the trees and the green parts on the chest. It's just tapping colors on there, mixing them a bit. Only in this case the direction of all the paint is down. A fan brush with some white face paint gives the illusion of the water really falling down onto the river. Of course, we can't forget about the eyes, so here is some nice pink eyeshadow with a bit of purple under them. The eyebrows, the eyeliner, a bit of mascara, of course, because we are still girls. A wig, and that completes Angelina's first video here at our YouTube channel. Well, I know it is a very elaborate makeup and it's quite complex, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all the videos we upload to our YouTube channel.